Hello everyone. Today I'm going to give a demo of diabetic retinopathy using deep learning. This project, we are collected a data set of insights of diabetics and also training is done through the CNN neural network and prediction is done through the GI. Now you can see the data set. So this is the data set we have collected. Here we have collected 7 diseases. And out of 7, 6 is the disease and 7 is the normal one. This is the data set. Next step is the training. We type ideally. Click on open. File. Open. For training. So this is the training code. Once the training is completed, log in this. On file. Open. On GUI. Open. So this is the libraries used. And this is the buttons you are using. And here we are loading the images. And second is the pre-process. And third step is the segmentation. And last is the classification. Click on run model. This is the GA. Here you can load the image. Select any one of the images canvas. Click processing. It's done through the gray conversion, segmentation. So we are using the thresholding and click on predict. Here you get the elected image. Can check for another one. Normal one we can check. Click on image. Open. Pre-processing. Segmentation. Predict. Image is normal. Can check for another common image, common pre-processing, segmentation, from predict. So we get the disease.